Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Daza and this is a record for the course English 4. At this time I'm going to talk about Elon Musk. What I know about Elon Musk is maybe that he is the richest guy in the world or one of the richest guys in the world. I know, I understand right now, I know that he has um, three companies, or those are the companies that I know. SpaceX, that is a company that is thinking, or Elon Musk is thinking about transportation outside the Earth planet, the planet Earth, in the space. I think it's ambitious, and I don't know what happens with that company right now. The other company is Tesla. What I know is maybe that this company he designed a car this car drives is drive it is drive remotely. I mean, you put the information, the route and the address, and the car uh, drives by itself, and you just put the information and don't need a driver or you don't need to drive. Um, Another company that he acquired, I think, in 2022. Um, that company is Twitter, or was named Twitter before. This company, well, in 2022, he talks about the company and some fake accounts, and he managed the information, and then the shares of this company, uh, um, the shares of this company got lower at that time, and he managed that information and then negotiate with the company. He bought the company. That strategy, I think, is not good, but, well, it is what it is. Money is money, and people who have the money is people um, who have the power. I think so. If I were millionaire like him, I would buy a lot of things, travel around the world. I would learn a lot of different cultures, and maybe I would design a project in relation with education. I think education is the solution to resolve the problems around the world, but not just the education in disciplines, maybe education about ethic and values is important, and think about it is maybe a good solution for the future. If I had had that amount of money before, I would have been in some problems because I think people don't need that amount of money. We can live just with the necessary. But ambition is one of the things that we have to resolve in the future uh, because of ambition. Uh, we have a lot of problems right now. I think that's all. I can talk about Elon Musk. I don't know so much about this guy, just the general that we hear in social media. Um, Thank you.